Hi, I'm Amit and today I'm showing you the big red switch, a simple tech solution for people with mobility issues to help them to access things in their surroundings with just a press of a button. It is designed specially for people who are acquired with cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, multiple sclerosis, or for someone who has strokes, for such people who have very limited body movements. To demonstrate its use, I have connected the big red switch to a switch adapted toy. Now if you use this setup for a child who has got cerebral palsy or Down syndrome, you are giving him independence to access his toy whenever he wants to, with just a tap. In this way you can use the big red switch to access various battery operated or electrical appliances at your place, such as torches, table fans, lamps or kitchen appliances. It has a big surface area and different colored tops to select from. To know more about the big red switch, please get in touch with Barrierbreak. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.